Hi, my name is Allison McCoy. This is my first book critique text set for EDU 318 Children's Literature. My first text within this set is a historical fiction book called Sarah Plainental, and it is by Patricia McLachlan. It has won the Newbery Medal and the Golden Kite Award. And Sarah Plainental is about a widowed father with two small children who put an ad in the local newspaper for a wife to come along to join him and his children on the prairie. He received a letter back from Sarah, and they began writing back and forth, along with the children writing her as well. In one of her last letters, she describes herself as plain and tall, and that she wears a yellow bonnet, and to let the kids know that she sings. And this is one question I had because their mother, who has since passed, used to sing all the time with Paul, and now he does not. So they're hoping that Paul will start to sing again. So Sarah travels a long way from her hometown in Maine all the way to the prairie to join the family. So, utilizing this geography strand, the activity within the lesson planned for students is for them to use their provided map and map out Sarah's journey from Maine to the prairie. Then, using their map, I want them to be able to differentiate between the characteristics of Sarah's hometown versus the prairie. Such as mentioned in the book, Sarah's hometown is surrounded by water, versus when she gets to the prairie, she's surrounded by hills. The second content area they will be working in is English. They'll be able to listen to Sarah's letter within the story to the family and discuss who wrote the letter and why Sarah wrote the letter. Following this, they will write a short letter to a pen pal introducing themselves, including their name, why they are writing to them, what their school name is, and any extra details that are safe to share to their pen pal. Then I thought that we could tie in our maps that we had used and pinpoint the location of our pen pals on our maps, such as we did with Sarah's journey, and see if one of them may live near Maine or in Maine like Sarah did. The second book within this set is Mirror Mirror, and it's a book of reversed poems with similar stories, such as Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty. These are very familiar to students, but they have a twist in them. It has won the Notable Children's Recording, the Cybele Award, and a notable ALA award. Same but Different is a very good book to use to introduce diversity within the classroom. It talks about two pen pals who compare their everyday lives and they see how they do things that are very similar but in different ways. The Bear in My Family talks about a protective sister, and the young narrator describes his sister as the bear in his family. She often protects him on the playground and lets him know that if there's one bear, there's always got to be two, so he's one as well. And I think this is a great book to introduce close relationships and maybe disputes or disagreements between students and see how close they can become. The Hello Goodbye Window is a great book to talk about imagination. A little girl visits her Nana and Poppy every day, and all their special experiences happen by this window. They garden, they look out at the stars through this window, she waves hello and goodbye to them, and her Nana told her that anything magical can happen at this window. Anybody can stop by at any time. So the little girl begins to think about the queen visiting, and I think that creative imagination can lead to a lot of different ideas within your classroom and maybe even spark a good idea for writing, creative writing within the classroom. And it has also won the Caldecott Medal as well. The Interrupting Chicken is a very classic picture book that talks about a papa chicken trying to get his little red chicken to go to bed. And the little chicken just will not have it with bedtime and it keeps on going. And I think that's can be utilized in the classroom by not only using this story, but oftentimes we see in a classroom where we flip the roles around and let the student kind of guide us with instruction to allow for the use of cognitive learning. It has won the Caldecott Medal and the Golden Kite Award for picture book textbook. And when the Turtle Grew Feathers by Tim Tingle is a twist on the tortoise and the hare. And this book really focuses on friends always being there for each other. The turkey actually takes Turtle's place, and the same plot kind of happens, but it really shows that the turkey was there for the turtle and kind of proved his point on that he would always have the turtle's back. This won the Ford Magazine finalist position and the Oklahoma Book Award finalist position as well for traditional literature, and it's best suited for kindergarten through third grade. And then the last book in this set is There's a Dragon in Your Book, and this is really great for the younger grades because it helps with following instruction. They're told not to turn the page in belief that they'll crack open this dragon egg, and now they have the responsibility to take care of this dragon in their book. So it really shows that following directions can bring about different consequences within the classroom as well. And it had won the Children's Choice Award Honor Book, and it is best suited for pre-K through second grade. And all of these videos within this text set have an underlying theme or message that suits the younger classrooms as well as the older classrooms as well, because they always need that reminder to act as desired.